This is my hair at the front. As you can see, there's bits of blonde at the bottom. And this is my hair at the back. So there's going to be a massive difference. Let's go to the hairdressers. Sorry about the angle, but this is the final look. So this is the front. And then that is the back. I will be honest, at first I wasn't that much a fan, but in this type of lighting I do like it more. But I think it's just the lighting, it depends where, because it looks more blonde in this lighting than it does in the living room. But that is my hair transformation. But I don't know how long this vlog is gonna actually be. Probably not that long. But altogether it came to £99. Last time it came to 120 because I accidentally got my hair curled without thinking it would cost more money. So I didn't get my hair curled this time, and it's just how it looks right now. So that is the final look without it being curled. So that's why it was £99. She put bleach in my hair, and then the toner. If you are thinking of getting blonde in your hair, the toner is the most expensive bit, but you do need the toner to be able to like make it look natural, because without the toner it will just look like you've just spotted bleach everywhere in your hair and it won't look natural. But the toner is the most expensive. I also got a haircut, like it was about here before, so I got a bit off. And yeah, like I said, I'm sorry if this video isn't that long, but I couldn't really film much of the hair transformation. But I hope you enjoyed this video anyway, and I'll see you next time. Bye. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.